Ladies and gentlemen, digital investors, welcome back to another video. We have some awesome stuff to go over, from Ethereum hitting new highs for the year of 2020, that is. We have a Litecoin finally settling above $100. Litecoin has been, oh man, it's just been a boring coin to look at, and finally we're just getting some type of price action out of it. Wrapped ETH comes to Tezos as it takes on the Ethereum DeFi market. This is pretty cool. I'm sure those of you who hold Tezos, who are baking Tezos, are going to be pretty excited about this. We also have, I saw this on Twitter, this comes from at W Clemente 3, and this is basically CNBC anchor talking stock to flow in logarithmic charts. It was pretty interesting, right, to see CNBC and their talk show hosts and how they usually bash Bitcoin, and now they're defending it, and it's just this weird shift. I don't know. It's just really odd. Well, I'll play this for you guys here in a little bit. Also, we have more celebrities coming in. So last month, we had a lot of celebrities start talking about Bitcoin. If I recall correctly, we had PewDiePie, we had Logic, we had Kanye West, we had one other person. I can't remember. I'm not going to hold up on it. But now we have a Lil Pump coming to cryptocurrency with a pump coin, and MegTheeStallion hops on the Bitcoin train with a USD 1 million ticket. Basically, what she did is she's giving out $1 million worth of Bitcoin. We also have Cardano opening up to Ethereum Solidity devs with a new initiative, and PayPal takes another step into crypto and invests in Paxos. So we have a lot to cover today. With that said, if you guys are frequent viewers of the show and you'd like to show some support, then just tap the like button. It helps a ton with the YouTube algorithm to pick this video up and show it to more people. Also, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every single day when I upload. And with that said, yeah, guys, Ether hits 2020 high as Bitcoin tops $22,000 as of right now. The price of Ethereum is sitting at $648, and we hit new highs for 2020. So very, very cool. And, you know, maybe one of those contributing factors could be this here. So ETH2 becomes the fourth largest staking network, and it keeps on growing. Ethereum 2.0 already ranks as the fourth largest staking network by TVL, despite launching 6 weeks ago, and with withdrawals still yet to be enabled. And check this out, guys. So Ether staking rewards are currently estimated at approximately 13.20%, meaning that a single stake of 32 Ethereum would earn 2,725 over 1 year. And keep in mind, that's at the current price of around $645. So now you have staking combined with appreciation of the underlying asset Ethereum. Guys, I think there's going to be a lot of money to be made. And one of the coolest things about this is back in 2017, you know, there really wasn't much staking type stuff going on. Most of the things that you saw for that were scams like USI Tech and BitConnect and all of that other just ridiculousness that was going on. There wasn't legitimate type things like there are now. There were some, but there weren't many. But now we actually have them, and it's going to be really, really cool to see people making wealth without just buying and selling, but through the form of staking, through the form of passive income, generating income through digital assets. I mean, this is insane. It's like literally pulling money out of the internet, it seems. We talked about this, Litecoin settling above $100. This goes over why LTC could rally further above $110. But honestly, guys, we're not going to get into that. We already know what's going to happen, right? If Bitcoin continues to go up, we're going to see the altcoins go up as well. If Bitcoin goes down, we're going to see this go down. As of right now, guys, this whole run is not a utility run, right? We're not going to see XRP go to $1,000 right now. It's just not going to happen. This isn't a utility run as of right now. This is speculation. Everything's coming down to Bitcoin, okay? So if Bitcoin's going to continue to go up and do this bull run, then strap in. If not, and we're going to have a pullback, you know, we could see some corrections in the alts as well. But like I told you guys yesterday, you know, the journey, who knows how we're going to get there, but we do know our destination. We know where we're going, and that is into new price discovery. We've already seen it for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a new price discovery right now. So, you know, just enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey. We don't know exactly what it's going to look like, but we do know the destination, and that destination is the increase of early adopters' net worth. So congratulations, guys. We also have Wrapped Ether coming to Tezos as it takes on the Ethereum DeFi market. StableTech has brought Wrapped ETH tokens to the Tezos blockchain in a bid to win over DeFi users that are sick of high Ethereum fees. And you know what, guys? I gotta be real with you. I'm getting really sick of these fees as well, right? Even for when you're trying to convert a token or something like that, and the fee is just astronomical to just do something little, even to just move your tokens. you have a high fee that you need to pay, and it's really just disappointing, right? And now with prices going up, Bitcoin going up, right, we know we could possibly see a lot more price appreciation as more people come into these markets. You know, are these fees going to get higher? Are we going to see fees like we did in 2017? You know, that could be a deal breaker, right? Back in 2017, the Bitcoin fees were, I mean, by the time we're getting to our end of our bull run, you basically didn't want to do anything with your Bitcoin. You just let it sit because the fees were just ridiculous. But yeah, guys, so we do have alternative projects that have lesser fees. So will we see projects that are building on Ethereum switch over to a different blockchain, to a different project to get lower fees? I think so. You know, why not? Especially with Cardano. We know Cardano is doing an ERC20 converter. And check this out, guys. So StableTech, a Tezos development group, launched wrapped Ethereum tokens this week, allowing the value of ETH to be transferred to the Tezos blockchain. Okay, so see, we can literally just transfer to the Tezos blockchain. Tezos is targeting DeFi users that are frustrated with high fees and slow transactions on the Ethereum network, which is a lot of people. StableTech raised seed funding in October to speed up DeFi development and win over users before Ethereum 2.0 is fully functional. You know, I think a lot of people, when ETH 2.0 was supposed to drop, I think a lot of people were under the expectation that fees are going to be a lot less, right? That the fees and the slow processing times and all that would just disappear. And, you know, we haven't seen that yet. And that is definitely seeming like it has the effect of leaving a broad spectrum of people frustrated, to say the least. Moving on, let's go over here where we have the CNBC anchor talking stock to flow in logarithmic charts. He says mainstream understanding is beginning. They can't call them tulips anymore. Hashtag Bitcoin. Again, this comes from Twitter from @WClementel3. And I will play this for you guys now.
A lot of the virtues of
the reason I ask is, you know, I've listened to Andreessen or Thiel or Chamath or Paul Tudor Jones, and they would take issue with you saying that it's only a greater fool theory, that it's just what someone else is willing to pay for it. And then if you do a stock to flow analysis on it in terms of halvings, et cetera, you can come up with some ranges that, if you look at a logarithmic chart, that has been what it's tracked, not tulip mania.
Explained a lot of the virtues of.
That is pretty interesting, right, guys? I mean, come on, for a CNBC anchor to be talking about stock to flow and everything like that, bringing up people like Chamath and Paul Tudor Jones, the very same people that they were, you know, arguing with, or at least in disagreement with, just like a year ago, and now they're bringing them up as their sources, saying that they would disagree with them. It seems like we walked into a different universe almost, right? But this is literally the baby steps. You are seeing the baby steps of mass adoption coming into play. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you drop this video a like. It helps a ton with the YouTube algorithm. If you guys could also subscribe and hit the bell if you do enjoy the content, subscribe and hit the bell. You get a video like this daily. I go over Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto space to try and keep you up to date. Keep in mind though, nothing we cover here is financial advice. I'm just documenting the daily crypto news and this crypto bull run. You guys can also check me out on theta.tv. This video was uploaded first to Theta. There's a link in the description, should be the third link in there, and it'll take you right to my Theta channel where you get all of my content first on Theta. Your fear and greed index for today is sitting at 95, so we are still in extreme greed. We've been in extreme greed for over a month now, and your prices for today, you have Bitcoin at 22,800, Ether at 648, XRP at 57 cents, Litecoin at 107, finally above $100, Bitcoin Cash at 308, Chainlink at 13, Cardano at 16 cents, Polkadot at 532, Stellar at 18 cents, and let's see, we have some Tezos at 231. Let's see what VeChain's doing. We haven't looked at VeChain in a while. VeChain at 1.7 cents. I can't wait to see VeChain above 2 cents again. I'm sure it'll happen at some point soon, depending on whether or not Bitcoin's going to play nice with us. Now, guys, back to mass adoption. Back to what is it going to take for people to adopt. Well, check this out. Rapper Lil Pump to launch Pumpcoin cryptocurrency. Pumpcoin is here because of why not. Now, this is pretty cool, guys, because this is like an NFT. So it's a collab with Fuse, a platform that turns celebrities into tradable tokens. A Pumpcoin NFT, non-fungible token, is coming soon via the Winklevoss Twins digital art marketplace. I'm telling you guys, you can laugh at NFTs now. I get it. They sound a little bit ridiculous. They sound a little bit out there, but I think they're going to be really, really popular going into the future. And remember, it's not about what you like. It is about what the market likes. What does the market like? and that is what's going to exceed. Leave your opinions and your emotions out of it. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys own any NFTs, no matter what it is, or what kind of NFT. If you own some sort of an NFT, let me know in the comments below. I'm just interested to see how many people in the community actually own these things. I myself own a couple of different types of NFTs, and you know, I don't really try to invest into them, but when I see something that looks interesting and I think, hey, maybe in the future I could turn a profit off of this, I just pick it up because why not, right? And it's, you know, hey, I'm participating in the mass adoption as well. We also have MegTheeStallion. She's giving out $1 million worth of Bitcoin. You know, at first I was like, man, could this really be real? And in the comments, people on this tweet I saw, they were actually posting the screenshots of her sending them Bitcoin. I think she was sending them about $9 worth of Bitcoin. So that is pretty cool, guys. Now, I'm sure it's not actually Megan here who is sending out the Bitcoin, right? I'm sure it's not her. I'm sure this is all part of some bigger influencer campaign. As you can see, it's being done with cashapp. So I think it's cashapp who is giving out the $1 million, and they're using MegTheeStallion as the face of it because, you know, I guess she's a pretty popular as of right now. But this was pretty cool, guys. This is what I think is the coolest thing. So shortly after her initial announcement, she says hotties, which I guess that's what they call each other. I don't know. So hotties, Bitcoin is a really smart investment and increases over time. My mind was kind of blown. I was like, man, this is mass adoption right here. This is the preparation for it, getting people used to it, getting people familiar with it, right? Telling their followers that Bitcoin is a really smart investment and increases over time. I mean, I know this is stuff we already know. This is common sense stuff. But guys, common sense is not so common these days. I mean, you have to understand the mass amounts of people need to hear it from celebrities like this for them to actually take it serious. If you guys go on Twitter, you can actually see a tweet from Juicy J. I'm pretty sure it was Juicy J. And he just asked the question. He was like, should I invest in Bitcoin? I urge you guys to go over there and read all of those comments on that tweet and see the reasons that people who are not in the crypto space tell him for not investing into Bitcoin. You have people over there telling him that, oh, you should have only bought Bitcoin. The best time to buy it was, you know, back in 2012 when it was in the hundreds of dollars. You have people saying that you shouldn't invest in it because you cannot predict the future price, which is like, what? Like, you can't predict the future price of anything. So, but anyways, guys, if you really want to see how it is that normal people think about Bitcoin, right? People who aren't in this space, people who we could say, you know, common sense isn't so common, right? I urge you to go over there and read that tweet and read the replies from people who say don't get into Bitcoin. Those are the people that are going to be coming into the space when you have people like MegTheeStallion, people like Lil Pump, people like Kanye West, basically celebrities shilling it to them, right? That's what it takes. And so, guys, we are literally on the front steps of adoption here. Now, we also have Cardano to open up to Ethereum Solidity devs with new initiative. KEVM will allow deploying Solidity smart contracts to Cardano. According to a Thursday announcement on the Cardano devs website, Cardano devs are opening up Cardano to the Solidity and Ethereum community through an interoperable platform that uses the native Ethereum code. As part of the effort, Cardano developers are planning to restart and accelerate their K Ethereum Virtual Machine, or KEVM developer network program. According to a Wednesday blog post from Charles Hoskinson, the KEVM DevNet is designed to enable full compatibility with Ethereum. He says, because Solidity is a high-level language similar to JavaScript and C++, it cannot be directly executed by the EVM. Solidity programs must be compiled to assembly language first so they can run on the KEVM, IOHK's marketing director Tim Harrison wrote. Harrison also wrote that most of the core development work is now done and ready for final QA and deployment in January of 2021. The Cardano ecosystem has been actively integrating its smart contract tech in order to bring new major functionalities. So very, very cool, guys. More big news for Cardano. We've been seeing a lot of Cardano all of this week, actually. I made a video for you guys a couple days ago saying why I wish I bought more Cardano, and yeah, I still do. I got a nice bag of it, but man, I really definitely wish I invested more, especially while it was cheap, right? We saw Cardano down at 2 cents for the longest time. I remember Cardano was down there at 2 cents, and I mean, imagine picking up a couple 100,000 of Cardano down there 2 cents. That would have been amazing, and I know a lot of you did. So for those of you who really packed your bags down there, congratulations. In my opinion, I think it's going to pay off greatly for you guys. I think we have one person who said said he was able to accumulate 500,000 Cardano, roughly that number, when it was down at 2 cents. This person left a comment on my video, so that is quite the Cardano stack to have. And that's the thing, guys, when these coins are down there at these low levels, right, at 2 cents, a penny, half a penny, that is when you can really build up these massive stacks, right? Because now Cardano at 15 cents, unless you have very, very deep pockets, you have a lot of money to throw in. 500,000 ADA is basically out of the range for most people. But when it's 2 cents, right, a coin at 2 cents, well, $2,000 gets you 100,000. So if you could really buck up, you could save. If you have that type of money, I mean, you could get a stack from 50,000 to 500,000. If it's half a penny, you could easily build up a stack of 1 million. It's just amazing if you can buy these coins that have great utility, that are great projects. You buy them when nobody wants them, when there's blood on the streets, when they're cheap and nobody's looking at them, and you're the one who's sitting there accumulating them. Your money gets you so much more of them, right? You can accumulate so much more tokens at prices when they're sub 10 cents than when they're over 10 cents. It's just amazing how much more your dollar gets you. It's literally like compounding tokens. And to finish off the video, guys, we have PayPal takes another step into crypto and it invests into Paxos. PayPal joined a 142 million Series C investment round, helping major regulated blockchain infrastructure platform Paxos increase its total funding to $240 million US. The roundtable was led by Declaration Partners, the investment firm backed by the family office of David M. Rubenstein, Paxos said in a press release. Other investors include Mithril Capital, RIT Capital Partners, and others. Paxos claims that going forward, they will continue investing in developing enterprise-grade infrastructure solutions, will use the fresh capital to accelerate growth, including scaling its operations and platform capacity. And also they say the company plans to double the size of its team and will explore all opportunities for growth. And we have PayPal getting their hands into that. As we know, guys, PayPal, now you can buy and shop with cryptocurrencies on PayPal. So PayPal is definitely in the crypto game. And it seems like they're going to continue getting into the crypto game by investing into these other cryptocurrency type companies. With that said, guys, that is the video for today. A lot of bullish stuff came out today. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. Our next video is probably going to be mainly covering Ripple and XRP, as some really crazy stuff has come out. That video will probably be out either tomorrow or the next day, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when that upload comes out and when all of my uploads come out. If you guys could also do me one favor and tap the like button on your way out, that would be greatly appreciated. Again, you can find me on Theta. This video premiered first on Theta, and that link is in the description. If you don't have a Theta, it will take you directly to my channel, where you can also follow me there. With that said, guys, I will see you all on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.